The smartphone scene is buzzing like never before, and right in the middle of all this excitement is Vivo. It's the latest gem, Vivo X300 Pro. This device is all set to shake things up and go head-to-head with heavyweights like Apple. iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So what's the deal with the X300 Pro that makes it such a game changer? Let's kick things off with the star of the show, the camera system. Vivo has always been a champ in this area, but this time, they've really outdone themselves. The Pro model boasts a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, perfect for those long-distance shots. Plus, it's got optical image stabilization OIS to keep your photos sharp, even when you're zoomed in. And it doesn't stop there. I'll also find two more 50-megapixel sensors, one for ultra-wide shots to capture those stunning landscapes, and another for portraits, or hybrid imaging. At the core of it all is the Sony LYT-828 sensor, which shines in low-light conditions, enhances HDR, and delivers those cinematic color tones we all love. With Zeiss optics fine-tuning everything to reduce glare and distortion, photography lovers are in for a real treat. Whether you're shooting the stars at night or zooming in on wildlife, this setup is ready to impress. But hey, cameras are just part of the story. The display is equally jaw-dropping. Talking about a massive 6.78-inch LTPO AMLD panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. This means scrolling, gaming, and watching videos is going to feel super smooth. Rumor has it, this display can reach a peak brightness of up to 4,500 nits, making it brighter than most TVs. So, even in harsh sunlight, you'll have perfect visibility. Perfect for creators and outdoor enthusiasts alike. And let us not forget the sleek curved edge design and ultra-slim bezels that make this display not just functional, but a total showstopper. Now, what's powering all this magic? The buzz is around the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 or 9500 chipset, which are MediaTek's most advanced processors built for peak AI performance and energy efficiency, with options for 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, up to 512 GB, or even 1 TB, the X300 Pro is ready to tackle anything you throw at it, whether it's console-level gaming or professional video editing on the go, and to keep everything running smoothly all day long. Vivo has packed in a hefty 5400 mAh battery with 90 West fast-wired charging that can juice it up in under 30 minutes. There's even a chance of wireless charging, though Vivo hasn't confirmed that yet. But one thing's for sure, this Pro model is built to last, even under heavy use. Let's chat about design for a sec. Vivo has always had a knack for premium aesthetics, and the X300 Pro is no exception. With sleek glass finishes, curved edges, and possibly new color options like midnight black, ocean blue, and pearl white, it's definitely a head-turner. Plus, we're hearing it'll have IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers with high-res audio, and in-display fingerprint scanning for that extra layer of security. On the software side, expect the phone to ship with either Android 14 or 15, layered with Originos in China and Funtuchos globally. This means you'll get Vivo's signature customization, advanced camera modes, and AI-based optimizations. Speaking of AI, this device is rumored to bring some cool features like real-time scene recognition, generative background editing, advanced night video stabilization, and personalized system management that learns your habits to optimize power and speed. Now, the million-dollar question. Will the Vivo X300 Pro make its way to the US? Vivo has officially confirmed its debut in China. On October 13, 2025, while there's no word on a US release yet, analysts are hopeful for at least a global variant to hit Europe and parts of Asia, maybe even North America, if they can secure some carrier partnerships. But even if it doesn't officially launch in the US right away, there will likely be import options available through third-party retailers, though that means no guaranteed carrier support. Price is another hot topic. Pakistan. Leaks suggest a starting price of around 188,999 Pakistani rupees for the 12 GB plus 256 GB model. So, considering everything, the incredible 200MP telephoto camera, the ultra-bright AMOLED display, the cutting-edge MediaTek chip, the massive battery with fast charging, and that gorgeous design, The Vivo X300 Pro is shaping up to be one of the best Android phones of 2025. It's not just competing, might just outshine some rivals in areas like zoom photography and display brightness. If you're as excited about this phone as I am, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming deep dives, camera shootouts, and performance benchmarks. This is one device that's definitely going to be put to the test against the best. And here's a thought to ponder. If Vivo is already giving us a 200MP zoom beast with 4,500 nits of brightness and AI enhancements in 2025, just imagine what the X400 Pro will look like in a few years. Foldable 300MP cameras, satellite connectivity. The future is looking bright, and the Vivo X300 Pro is taking us boldly in that direction.